Hi everyone. I'm going to go over the answers for the quiz number 1. So these will help you study for the test, which will be on the Blackboard this week. So number 1, fill in the blanks. 2 polygons are similar. Okay, we've been doing this a lot, so hopefully by now you are remembering. The corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, which means they are equal. Their measures are equal. The corresponding sides are proportional. They are not equal, they are proportional. Number 2, write the proportion 5:3 in another way. You can either write it 5/3 like a fraction, or you can write it 5/2 3. Number 3, circle the word which is a comparison between two amounts. Okay, a comparison is a ratio. Okay, as we see in number 4, the following equation, which sets two ratios equal to each other, that is called a proportion. Okay, so in order to have a proportion, you need to have two ratios. And each ratio is a comparison between two amounts. Okay? So number 5, a dilation which makes the pre-image smaller is called a reduction. Think of the word to reduce. Okay, make smaller. A dilation which makes the pre-image larger is an enlargement. Okay, you've got the word large in there. Okay, so number 7, complete the following statements given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle JKL. Hint, you may want to draw the two triangles first. Well, first I'm going to do it without drawing them, and then I'll do it drawing them. So AC, okay, is a combination of A and C. And remember, when we write these triangles, these similarity statements, okay, the vertices A, B, and C have to be in the correct order. Okay, A corresponds to J, B corresponds to K, C corresponds to L. So it means something that A and C, A is the first one, C is the second one. And so JL, change colors, JL is the same thing. Okay, it's the first to the third. So AC compared to JL is a proportion, okay, or is a ratio, sorry, is part of the proportion. So now they want KL. So here's KL. So it makes sense then that KL would work with BC, because KL is the last two letters and BC is the last two letters. Okay, finally, again, because we know everything's in order, the measure of angle B is going to be equal to the measure of angle K. Okay, now if you wanted to draw things, you could have done A, B, C, and remember to do them in order. The A is down the left-hand corner, so is the J. The K is at the top in the middle, and L. So here you can see that AC over JL, okay, has got to be equal to something over KL. And that something has got to be BC. Okay? And further, the second part of this, the measure of angle B has got to be the same as its corresponding angle, which is the measure of angle K. Okay. To watch my time here, so I don't make this thing too big. Too big. Okay. So solving proportions. Remember cross multiplication. So we have. Okay, come back. Okay, we have 7. 7 times 16 equals 2x. Okay, 7 times 16, 42, carry the 4, 11, 12 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 56. Okay. Now, here we're going to do the same thing. Cross multiply. 6 times negative 1 is equal to 3 times x plus 8. So 6 times negative 1 is negative 6 is equal to, remember we distribute the 3 over the x and the 8, so we get 3x plus 3 times 8 is 24. Okay. So we subtract 24 from both sides because we want to isolate the x. So negative 6 minus 24 is negative 30. It goes away. Equals 3x. Okay, divide both sides by 3. Negative 30 divided by 3 is negative 10 equals x. So the most consistent mistake was this negative. A lot of you guys lost that when you were doing the algebra, and it needed to stay negative. So hopefully you can fix that error for the test. Okay. So write the proportionality statement for the two polygons. You are given, come on. You know what, I'm going to stop the video now, and because it's already 7 minutes 44 seconds, and I don't want to run out of time. So I'll do the next problem in the next video.